friends all fall so easily.
Called the first one savage, mold my mood, that's what it was. 2016 we was running around.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna make a little like intro to a photo shoot kind of thing, and then what else? We're also gonna put in my third brake light harness for that, get that working, make that cool, and probably continue the brakes on Ethan's car. I filmed a whole video about it yesterday, but it just went to waste because I accidentally deleted fucking everything, which sucked. But alright, yeah, so let me take these photos, I'll edit them, and then I'll put them in the video so you guys can see them, how they came out. Or you could also just follow my Instagram at Ty's Productions, same as my YouTube, but no space in the middle. It's just one thing. But yeah, if you're curious, let me know. Here's the pictures. They're pretty good, or they came out good. I wish the car was cleaner than it was, but honestly it is really dirty. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. In the next clip you should see me and Ethan doing my resistor for my brake light. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, so we're back at Ethan's house. What's it called? In order to take this third brake light out, there is, you're not going to be able to see it, but when Ethan gets out here, I'll have him shine a light. There's a tab on the bottom of this somewhere, and there's another tab over here. And then on the top, there's like a groove that you just pry, or I wouldn't say pry, but you just lightly push up, and the third brake light will come out. So I'll show you guys that whole little process once he gets back outside. Okay, so this little silver thing, you just pop down like that, and you're done. Then you go over here, and you do the same exact thing. Then there's this little groove up top. I might need a smaller flathead. I gotta go from that groove. Where the fuck is the groove? Here it is. Oh. Oh. Okay, it's out. Good God. That was scary. Alright.
Do you need me to take over from here now?
Yeah, you gotta wire stuff.
Stuff. Alright.
We trade.
But I need to go get my tools so you can stop recording.
Okay. I don't really know what Ethan's doing, but he's cutting something. I know nothing about wiring. Okay, that's a lot simpler than it looked. Okay, so there's two wires, probably, most definitely a power and a ground. Same with up here, power, ground, and then power, ground, power. What? Power, ground. I don't give a fuck. I don't know what I'm talking about. I know nothing.
Power and ground, here you go. Go into here, go into resistor. Come out and meet up over here. Therefore, brake light's gonna go flash.
Yes. Where do we put that box?
We're gonna just. Oh, are you fucking you? I hate you. I hate you so much.
Why?
The fucking harness is right there. God damn it! I'm retarded.
Oh, cool.
All right. Well, at least we know if we fucking ruined it, we can just replace it.
Yep.
Yeah, that's not.
Well, we gotta take a break from the car, and even though I just dropped his sister off and literally was only here for 10 fucking minutes, she's already done.
Bro.
So now we gotta go pick her up. Like, what the fuck?
That's funny as shit, though.
You drank my vitamin water. Nice.
Blackmail.
Well, we'll see you guys soon. Explain.
So we're just trimming the wire so it'll fit better.
You gotta speak louder.
Said I'm trimming the wire to make it fit better.
Nice.
You know, right?
It got cold fast.
Welcome to New Jersey. I really don't know what you want me to tell you.
Anyways, we got back with his sister, so that's always fun.
We had to stop for McDonald's.
Yeah, then we stopped for McDonald's. You can never go wrong with McDonald's.
Yes, you can. When you're on a time crunch, you can always avoid making unnecessary stops.
But we were hungry, and that was necessary.
It's fine.
So we did that, and yeah.
Apparently it has a quick disconnect, which I probably should have spent a couple of seconds longer looking for, but it is what it is.
Yep. I mean, too late now. Well, not really, but anything could happen. So we're getting the cover off the original clip harness to wire in the resistor, and I'm guessing brown is ground.
Not necessarily. You're also having the colorblind guy do this, so you're gonna have to read off colors to me, and I'm gonna have to figure it out in my head.
Okay, no problem.
Otherwise, I just look up the diagram and I associate the location of the wire to the color. That doesn't always work, but 9 times out of 10 it does. We just make an adjustment, no big deal.
So now he's wiring in the resistor up. Can you tell which ones are different colors? Those are both red.
I can.
You said you were colorblind.
Yeah, I know what the color red is, Tyler.
It's gonna go flashy flash. It's gonna look cool, hopefully.
It's gonna look dope, bro. It's gonna look sick.
The Ricer Mark 6 GTI mod.
Holy smokes. Damn it. Why do I do this to myself?
I don't know.
Why do I allow you to do this to me?
What? It's a simple task. It's not hard. It's just connecting 4 wires.
Yes, but I'm the one doing it.
Yeah, because I don't know a thing about wiring. Which, honestly, I probably could have done this at my house. I probably could have figured this out. Okay, so the resistor's in. You want to plug it in and make sure it works before you electrical tape it?
No, because I'd rather not have the wires that are openly exposed touch each other.
Okay, that makes sense.
Because there's no power to it right now, so it doesn't matter.
Just shocks you and kills you?
No.
You're just laying dead in your driveway?
Wouldn't be the first time.
What?
I may or may not have accidentally electrocuted myself with the battery to the car one time. It's fine. Am I dead? Unfortunately, no. But it's okay. Like the time the jack fell on me when the ball joint snapped on the Honda and it crunched my arm backwards.
The time when my car was teetering and almost killed all 3 of us.
And I had to hold it up.
That was an interesting day.
Here, take this jack out. Wait, no! Not yet!
Too late now.
Ethan, hold the car! Hold the car!
Okay, so it's all taped up. Now to just plug it in and see if it works.
It's all connected. Where the hell's the plug? There it is. Why do we do this in the dark?
Because you got off work late and I had to drop your sister off and then we had to go get her.
No, I had to go see my
Well, that too.
yeah.
All right.
I had to go see her first. Okay. Oh, it's facing the wrong way. I gotta stand over here to see it. Please work.
It's just working. Flash.
Maybe you have to hold. Oh, there. Wait, did you do?
that was me tapping on the brake.
Just hold it.
Wait, what if I turn my headlights on? we're redoing this now. Hopefully it's this, and hopefully it'll flash. Probably.
The wires came off. Probably because I didn't torque it down enough or twist it together enough.
But yeah, I really want this thing to flash because I only know I know one person, like, individually that has it, but I know there's maybe a couple more out there that probably also have this mod. Not many people really do this, so that's why I thought I'd do it, because it's different. And yeah, we're putting the Honda mod on a fucking Volkswagen.
Don't question my blinking taillights. I've got to put them back in after I get the correct taillight lens. That'll come at a later date, because it's more important to have a car that's functional than looks good.
I want to tint this black, like 5% type black.
This?
Yeah, the third brake light.
Why?
Because why not? I don't...
But you don't want blacked out taillights?
Yes. This will just blend in with the tint in the wing, so it'll look good black. But my blacked out taillights are different, so I don't really like those. They're common. The ones I'm getting are rare.
But it looks badass.
Not really. I have a dark car. It just hides it.
That's the idea. So when you kill your lights, you're not seen.
I mean, I guess I wasn't seen by that cop when I did 140 down New Durham.
Yes, yeah, okay. Whatever you say.
Lost him pretty quickly.
I mean, to be honest, I probably wouldn't be talking about that on camera to put on the internet.
Who cares? It's not, I only got 70 subs.
Right now, watch one of them be the fucking...
supervisor? The one I ran
from? We got a confession now. We're cooking with butter.
That'd be funny. Alright, that's enough for a raw clip.
Here's attempt number 2.
Is it just lighting up?
Yeah.
Well, we figured out what the problem is. The strobe thing.
We think it's the problem.
Yeah, we think. The strobe thing might be reversed, so...
I mean, it really shouldn't make that much of a difference.
No, it still should strobe. Strobe. That's funny
Strobe
word.
you.
What the fuck was that noise? I didn't like that noise. Oh. Okay, well, we'll see you guys once we get this reversed and plugged back in to see if it works. Alright, so it's all wired in. As you can see, it flashes, flickers, and does cool stuff. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.